Yo, dudes, welcome to Court!
Sassy.
So basically, today, I think dogs should have to pick up their poop. If they don't pick up their poop, we'll have too much and we'll have to pick it up for them. They need to learn to be responsible. They just expect it to decompose and us to pick it up for them. If they do not learn soon how to pick up their poop, they will be arrested for leaving it on the floor. Woo! Daddy, what? Woo!
No, this should not be all. You know why? Animal cruelty! And that animal cruelty is not good. So then you have to change the other laws. So think about that, stupid judge. Or else I'm gonna pull my dog up to your house and he's gonna put your ribcage out. And then it's gonna break because you're so skinny. So, yeah, animal cruelty. And then they're gonna get mad at you and fussy and they're gonna die. This will now become a law because it is not fair to have to clean up after them. You got it?
Yeah!
Good!
What?
Me!